Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you 5 ways to add images in Notion. So let's get started. Method 1. On an empty page, add image through typing -image. Click on that option and a pop-up option will appear. You may choose to upload an image, embed a link, or select images on Unsplash. Here, I will choose the Unsplash option and add any random image. You may rearrange the images side by side. Method 2. Create an empty table. Add another column and change the property to Files and Media. Click below and you will find the Add a File or Image option. Click on that and you will see an option to upload an embed link. Method 3. Create another page. Type -gallery view. On your computer, open a folder and drag an image from the folder to the gallery tiles. Method 4. You may also add an image on your page through the Add a Cover option. Click on the Add a Cover on the header of the page. You may select from Gallery, upload an image, embed a link, or choose from Unsplash. You may resize your cover photo. Method 5. You may add an image on your page through the Add Icon button. Select the Add icon, then choose from Emoji, Upload Image, or Embed Link. Select an image, and now you are settled. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!